Hello everyone, I'm Liam and welcome to my very much awkward first travel vlog in China. Today exploring Beijing's District 798 and TeamLab Massless. Alright, so the vlog is not vlogging. This is like my fourth time trying to start this and I'm like, I'm running out of stuff to say, but let's see. Okay, so I'm heading to District 798, which is like this, I guess, a conglomerate of different art galleries. I'm very excited to see what's there. My ride here on the train was hectic because it was just packed with people, of course, at the number one busiest time of the day, 8 o'clock. Everyone heading to work, so I was squished and like sweating. So I got all these different layers on, the gloves, the beanie, thermals. And I was just like, oh my god, it's too hot in there. But yeah, we'll see. So my only plans really for today is just to firstly get some coffee in me. I couldn't get one yesterday, unfortunately, because my layover at Hainan spent most of my time waiting for immigration. So I need to find a good cafe, get some coffee, then look at some art galleries. So I just had my delightful coffee. It's very nice at Tian Roastery. It's very good. I enjoyed it. So now I'm just gonna walk around and explore a bit more because I don't really know when the gallery's open. It's still quite early, it's like 9:30. And I don't think a lot of them open until maybe a bit closer to, oh my god. Those was bats. Oh, I don't know, up until maybe 10, 11, oh my god. It's so cold, but I keep wondering. These cool little things like this, just around. I'm reminded of in Korea. Me and Sanya saw this girl and she was like really tempted. But I'm hoping. I feel like one of the good things about coming here so early is you kind of avoid lots of people. There isn't lots of people around. So that's one good thing. The negative thing is today it's freezing. I mean, to be fair, it is warming up. It's only negative 3 degrees now. Part of me wonders if I should just find another cafe, so I don't think anything's open still. She deep it too hard. So one thing I advise is do not come here so early. I think I got there maybe around like 9 AM and essentially nothing is open at that time. And saying that there's still lots and lots of like sculptures and graffiti artwork and lots of other things that you can see while exploring around, which is kind of nice to do when there's no one else there. But it's just something to keep in mind. Freezing. One of the things I love, you always know when you're you always know you're in Beijing when you hear someone do a little walk on the ground. So I finally found my first museum. Gallery. I found my first gallery that I'm going to go to, UCCA Lab. But I don't know if you can film in any of these galleries, so we will see. So there were quite a few galleries that I did see. UCCA didn't allow filming in there, however, so I ended up kind of taking that as like a trend and just not filming in any of the art galleries just in case. In saying this, I did take as many opportunities as I could to kind of take different photos of what art was on display. In particular, my favorite was this one gallery which had these paintings of cats mauling people apart. Yeah, I don't know if there's a pair. Okay, I completely forgot to charge the camera's batteries. So now I'm like trying to hunt down food. I just came out from TeamLab. It was really good, really interesting. And I found one of those little those little one person barbecues, which I really like. So I want to see if I can get in. Spoiler for the rest of the vlog that I essentially never film the food that I'm eating, and the times that I do I have almost no expression, but I do promise the food was delicious.